Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to remove background in video on Capcut. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to click on new project right here. And after clicking, just upload the background of the video that you want to. So for this instance, I will just use pictures from the library, and after that just click add, and then I will adjust video right here. And after that, the next thing that we need to do is to click overlay and then click add overlay, and this time we want to add the video that we want to remove the background. So let's say for this example, let's use this one, and then just click add right here, and after that you can just edit the size. And let's say for example that we want now to remove the background, which is the color brown right there. So the next thing that we need to do is to click on the video and then scroll down until you see this remove background right here. After clicking, you will see three options right here: auto removal, custom removal, and then chroma key. For auto removal, so Capcut will be the one who's going to remove the background. So sometimes it is not accurate. So if it is not accurate, then custom removal is our second choice right here. So just click custom removal, brush the part of the video that you want to keep. So this one, for example. And after doing that, just click right there, and then it will now apply the custom removal. So just wait for it to finish. And once it is done, just click check right here on the bottom right. And then as you can see right there, the background is now gone. And if you look closely on the video, the background is now removed. And so that's how you do it. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.